Hi and welcome to the video. In this tutorial we are going to have a quick look at how to add links to your YouTube channel. If you get something out of this video, please give it a thumbs up. It really helps me out. I'm trying to get to 1,000 subscribers, so please help me by subscribing to my channel and turning on notifications. Anyway, without further ado, let's get into the video. So I'm going to show you how to add the links in the About section here and also at the top here. So to do this, you want to head into YouTube Studio. So once you're logged in, click on your icon at the top and then click on YouTube Studio. So once you're in the back end of YouTube in YouTube Studio, you want to click on the link called Customization down on the left hand side. And to add the links, it's in the Basic Info tab. You will find the link section just here. We're going to add a link. So I'm going to click Add Link and I'm going to go and get my links. A little power tip from this video is to always have a file with all your social links and your website link in it, so you've got access to it at all times. On screen now you can see the links for a project that I'm working on for the VA coach. We've got the social links and the website links. I'm just going to copy and paste these in to YouTube to make things a lot easier for me rather than typing it out. So I'm going to cheat. I'm going to copy all of the information I've got here. I'm going to paste it into the channel description section here, then simply paste this information here down into the bottom. So on links, we're going to click on the first box and type in website. I'm going to copy and paste the website URL into that first box. Once I've done that, I'm going to add a link again, type in the word Facebook, grab that second link from the social section, paste that in, and then I'm going to add Instagram and that final link there, copy and paste that in, delete all that and press publish. Once that's published, I'm going to hit view channel. That should open up a new tab on your browser, and from here your website, your Facebook and your Instagram should appear in your channel cover. The other place that it adds it to is the About section, so you should see the links here, and if I click on website it should open it up. And now on screen you can see the website that we are currently working on for the VA coach. So that is my super quick tutorial on how to add links to your YouTube channel. I hope you found that helpful. If you did, please give it a massive thumbs up. That helps my channel. And if you'd like to help me on my quest to get to my first 1,000 subscribers, hit that subscribe button and turn on notifications. Thanks for watching guys, and I will see you in another video.